Well, the question is, what is the circular flow of income? Maybe this video can help to explain it to you. Let's start with a smaller scale first. As you can see, the households supply factors of production, while the firms repay them with some sort of rewards, also known as factor payments. In a way or another, a sort of mutual benefits is enjoyed by both the firm and household. Let's break it down for you. The household also supplies labor to the firms in the form of employees and workers who help to keep operations going on, and they are repaid with wages. With these factors of production, they can finally start work to produce goods and services for the households. Firstly, the households provide entrepreneurs who engage in enterprise to start up businesses in these firms, and they are rewarded with profits. Besides, unused and unprocessed land, which are used to carry out the operations, is also bought over from households, and rent is given to the households in return. Of course, in order for the work to be carried out, there is a need for capital, which comprises of machineries and raw materials which are compulsory in the production of goods and services. Interest is given to households in exchange for the capital goods. When goods and services are produced and being sold by the firms receive payments from the households in return for the provision of goods and services, and this concludes the two-sector economy. Moving on to a larger scale, this is when the government comes into the picture. With the payments made to both the firms and households for supplying factors of payment and goods and services, they will make deposits and savings to the banks. Yet, it does not stop. The government does save in banks as well, but they receive something else from them, which are tax and interest. Well, why do firms pay government taxes? That's because governments either invest in these firms or give them subsidies. Well, what about households? Households pay tax to the government too, for governments give welfare payments to them. As the camera pans out, you will now be able to see the full model of the circular flow of income. Finally, let's zoom in to the foreign sector. The trade of goods and services, as well as the flow of money, make up our exports revenue. Well, that's the end of our video on the circular flow of income. We hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.